Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chere, and in this video I'm going to be doing a pantry organization video. Been wanting to do this for a while. It's kind of gotten a little out of hand. If you watched my last video, I kind of gave you a little bit of a sneak peek of what the pantry looks like. It's a little bit rough, but hopefully after today it'll be nice and organized. I did end up picking up a few things at Marshall's and Amazon just to help with organizing. So I will show you what I got. All right, so I ended up picking up this from Amazon. It was super easy to put together. It came in like, I think it was 5 pieces. And you just basically stack these on. And this is gonna be what I organize my cans in. And then it also does come with the, like, it gives you the option, you can get more and like stack them up higher. But I think for now, I'll probably be good with just the one. And then I ended up getting these little like rolly Lazy Susan things. These were from Marshall's and I believe they were, let's see, $6.99 each. And I think these are just like the medium sizes. They have really big ones and they have small ones, but I just got those ones for now. And then I got these like stackers. That way I can put some stuff underneath and make most of this space. And then over here, this is, it like actually goes on to a shelf and it'll hang. So I'm hoping I can put maybe like Ziploc bags, I don't know, extra stuff in there. And then I got these, just a couple more bins. These were $7.99 from Marshall's. And I think this was also from Marshall's. Let's see, this was $4.99. So they weren't too bad price-wise. And then one more thing, there's my pup. I got this here. This was from Marshall's and it was $19.99. All right, so I apologize in advance for the lighting because this closet does not have very good lighting at all. But basically what I'm gonna do is take everything out and kind of organize, go through things. If things are expired or if we don't use them anymore, I'll put them in like a get rid pile, and then I'll set up all the organizing stuff in here, and that way I can put everything back in nice and neat. So this is what we're working with right now. So hopefully by the end of this video, it looks much better. All right, let's get right into it. So this is the part in the cleanup process where I get super overwhelmed and wish I never started. But that's totally normal. It's just a heck of a lot to look at right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of separate everything into like food and then like household things. So things like all these lights, batteries, any extra stuff that I have. I'm gonna try to organize all of that. And I'm also going to start putting in all of my organization stuff. That way I have everything set up, and that way I can hopefully start to put everything back in nice and neat. So we will start that now. here I have all of my water decanters. Then we have our bath tissue, our paper towels. Inside of this, it's all of my placemats. Then down here, sorry about this, here, hang on. Down here I have all of my canned goods, all of my extra pantry items, which I love how these little like Lazy Susan things spin so I can see everything. In here I have just extra like cling wrap and foil, paper bags, Ziploc bags, and then same thing within here, just all of my extra pantry good items. Back there I've got some soups and broths, just some pasta. I have most of my pasta downstairs just because I have a lot of it, but I'm just kind of gonna bring up a couple at a time for in here. And then I have just a bunch of tuna, canned goods, some soup back there. These are kind of like all of the awkward cans that didn't really fit well in here. So I have all that in there. And then in here, I've got salsa, corn, enchilada sauce, stuff like that. Again, underneath here, kind of like they didn't really fit over in this can section, so I just put them under there. But I like it because I can just pull it out and see everything in there. And then underneath here, I kept my crock pot. I'm gonna bring my air fryer downstairs because I have all my other kitchen stuff down there, and it's just easier because it's too big for in here. And then I have just my flour, sugar, plastic utensils, and this thing is pretty cool. It comes right out. So like when I'm having a party, I can just bring it out and have it out on the table. Underneath here, I have paper plates, paper napkins, our plastic cups. I put all of our cleaning stuff in here. So just extra cleaning stuff that didn't really fit underneath the kitchen cabinet. And then I've got like some Swiffer stuff, stuff for like the mops, which I forgot, I bought these a long time ago. It's hard to see in here, but I have these like command strip things that just hold the mop really nice. So that was a good find that I forgot that I had in here. And then underneath here, I just have some popcorn, some mac and cheese. Inside of this one, it's kind of the same thing, like just miscellaneous. I've got some soup in there. I've got juices up there. And then underneath here, I just have all of my aluminum pans, some more pasta, cereal, but I love it. It is so much neater, so much cleaner, and I'm so happy I did this.